In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is your mathematics class, and I am Mr. Wasim Shahid. Today we are going to learn about division and multiplication of weights. This is our video number 47, lesson number 14 of final term. And dear students, this topic is given in your book pages. These topics are given in your book pages page 157 and page 158. Dear students, we are going to solve the word problems that are given in your book page 157. These word problems are regarding to multiplication. The statement of problem A: if a box of washing powder weighs 1 kilogram and 180 gram, how much will four such boxes weigh? Mean, in this word problem, you have to find the weight of four boxes if the weight of one box is given. So in solution, first of all, we write the weight of washing powder box that is given 1 kg, 1 kilogram and 180 gram. This, dear student, this is the weight of one box. So if you want to find the weight of four such boxes, powder boxes, so you have to write the statement as weight of four such powder boxes, that is equal to, just multiply 4 by weight of one box. The weight of one box is 1 kg 180 gram multiplied by 4. Students, so it is better for you to write kilogram and gram, a kilogram, a gram in vertical form here, multiply and then write the answer here. Here, first of all, you will draw two columns like this. In one side, you will write kg, kilogram, and other side, you will write gram. After that, you write this weight here 1 kilogram and here 180 gram, and then multiply by 4. For students, you know that multiplication of kilogram and gram is same as as we multiply the normal numbers. So first of all, we multiply 4 by ones, then tens, then 100. 400, 4 8s are 32, carry 3, 4 times 1, 4 plus 3, 7, and after that 4 multiply by 1, 4. So we get 4 kg 720 gram. Mean the weight of four such uh, powder boxes, that is equal to 4 kg 720 gram. Dear students, in this way you can find the remaining two parts. Here the statement of B is this is part B. If Shahid buys 5 books, each weighing 750 gram, what will the total weight of the books be? Mean here the weight of one book, weight of each book, that is equal to 750 gram. So we are going to find the weight of 5 books. Number of books are 5. Therefore, we multiply 5 by the weight of each book. Weight of each book is 750 grams multiplied by 5. So here you just write the 750 in the column of gram because no kilograms are given. Instead of kilogram, you have to, in place of kilogram, you have to write 0. 5 times 0, 5. 5 times 5, 25. Carry 2. 5 7s are 35 plus 2, 37. Carry 3. Do not write 3 here, because when you write 3 here, it will get 3000. Change 3000 gram into kilogram. We know that in 3000 gram we have 3 kilogram. So 5, after that we multiply 5 with 0, 500 plus 3, 3. So weight of 5 such books equal to 3 kilogram and 750 gram. Statement of part C. Here D is written, but actually it is part C. If a bar of chocolate weighs 445 gram, how much will 9 bars weigh? Dear students, whenever uh, you find the weight of one one object or one thing, and you want to find the weight of more than one object, so you have to multiply. Here in this question, the same situation is occurring. Weight of one bar of chocolate, that is equal to 449 gram. This is the weight of one bar of chocolate. So if you want to find the weight of 9 such bar of chocolates, bar of bars of chocolate, that is equal to 445 gram multiplied by 9. So you have to write here gram and kilogram in column. After that, here only grams are given. There is no kilogram. Here, look at this one entry. Here only grams are given, so you have to write grams in the below of grams, and kg in the below of kg you have to write 0 and then multiply by 9. 9 fives are 45. 9 multiplied by 5, 45. Write 5 and carry 4. 9 fours are 36 plus 4, 40. Carry 4. Again 9 multiplied by 4, 46 plus 4, 40. Write 0 and carry 4. Dear students, whenever you multiply kilogram and gram at the same time, so do not try to write fourth digit here. So you must take 4-digit carry with kilogram. 900, 9 multiplied by 0, or you can say 9 by 0, that is equal to 0 plus 4, 4. So whenever you sorry when you multiply 445 gram by 9, you get 4 kilogram and 5 gram. In this way you can find the solution of part D. In part D, what is the total weight of 6 packets of biscuits if each packet weighs 575 gram? So you have to multiply 575 gram by 6. So you can copy the statements just like the statements of parts C and B. So it is your homework. You have to solve part D by yourself. I'm going to uh, tell you how we divide kilogram and gram at the same time. Dear students, it is easy to divide kilogram and gram if we remember that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Page 158. The given topic is length, weight, division of weights. Here the topic is given weight, division of weights. The statement of question first, copy these in your notebook and then work them out or then complete. Dear students, here in part A, kilogram and grams are given here. 5 kg and 664 grams are given, and you have to divide by 2. Look at part A very carefully. If you will understand the part A, definitely you will solve part B, C, and remaining parts easily. So, dear students, in division, first of all, we will divide kilogram by 2. Here we have 5 kilogram, and we will divide 5 by 2. First of all, we will divide 5 by 2. So we will count the table of 2, and we get 2 multiplied by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 threes are 6. When we multiply 2 by 2, we get 4. And when we multiply 2 by 3, we get 6. 6 is greater than 5. So we have to write the number that is very near and less than 5. That is 4. So we will write 2 here. 2 multiply by 2. 2 multiply by 2, that is equal to 4. This 2 we will write up, and this 4 down in the below of 5. After that we subtract 4 from 5. 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. Dear students, remember that here we are dividing kilogram by 2. So when we divide 5 by 2, we get the remaining kilograms are 1. So this 1 mean 1 kilogram. So we cannot divide 1 by 2. So here this step is very important. Remember that here we change 1 kilogram into gram. We know that in 1 kilogram we have 1000 gram. And dear students, first we convert 1 kilogram into gram, and then we add with these gram. These gram are 664. So add all of them, and then you can subtract gram from the starting. You will just consider this is the new number. So do not compare or attach this number with this. So you just consider that first you convert this and add, and after that consider it is a new number. So you have to divide this number by 2. So when you add 1000 with 664, you get 4661. So when you add 1000, so here you can write here 1000. From where you get 1000, you change you are changing 1 kilogram into gram. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So you cannot add 1 here, because you must change 1 kilogram into grams, and then you can add grams with grams. So when you add, you get 1664. Now you will divide 1664 by 2. This is very important step. I just want to repeat this step. Listen me very carefully. Just change 1 kilogram into grams. When you change 1 kilogram into grams, you get 1000. So here you add 1000 plus 664, you get 1664. After that, you divide this number by 2. So here first we take first digit is 1. 1 is not suitable, 1 is less than 2, therefore we take two digits. Two digits are 16. So we write 2 8s are 2 times 8, that is equal to 16. 16 minus 16, 0. And after that, shift this digit down, we get 6. Now we divide 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. You It's up to you. It's up to you. You can write 0. No need to write 0 in this side. And after that, you will shift 4, the last digit is 4, then divide 4 by 2. 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. So 4 minus 4, at the end you get 0 remainder. Similarly, in part B, the question is given 8 kilogram, 495 gram. So first of all, we will divide kilogram by 3. 8 by 3. 3 we will count the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So when you multiply 3 by 3, you get 9. So you need the number here that should be less than 8 or near the very near to 8. Exactly 8. So when you multiply 3 by 2, you get 6. 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2. So 2 kilogram mean 2000 gram. So I am writing instead of 2 kg, 2000 gram. So you have to put 30. I am repeating, this is very important step. 2 kilogram equal to 2000 grams. So these are also gram. So you have to add gram with gram. 5 plus 0, 5, 9, 4, 2. Shortly you can say put 2 in front of this and shift whole digit here. And after that you start division from you can say it is consider it is a new number. You can say you are dividing just 2495 by 3. So first of all, we will take these two digits. Means we are dividing 24 by 3. So here, first of all, we will divide 24 by 3. So you know that when we multiply 3 by 8, 3 multiply by 8, 3 by 8, 24. 3 times 8, 24. 24 minus 24, 0. And then we shift 9 here. Now we are going to divide 9 by 3. 3 times 3, that is equal to 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Now shift the last digit is 5. Now you have to divide 5 by 3. So 3 times 1, 3, and 5 minus 3, 2. So this 2 is this 2 means 2 grams, mean 2 grams are remaining after dividing. Similarly, in part C, 5 kg, 642 gram. So 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. So you have to shift these three number here and put 1 in front of this. You can directly put 1 here and then shift down. 4 fours are 16. First you take these two digits and divide by 4. 4 fours are 16. 16 minus 16, 0. Shift 4 down. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Then shift the last digit, that is 2. And you cannot divide 2 by 4. Therefore, you can, when you multiply 4 by 1, you get 4. So in this situation, you have to multiply 4 with 0. 4, 0, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 will remain same, but here in answer, one additional 0 will come. So you must divide this 2 by 0. Uh, Next is part D. EF. The solutions of these parts are written in front of you. Here 7 kilogram, 302 gram, 4 ones are 4, 7 minus 4, 3. So copy these number here and put 3 in front of these. Mean you are adding 3000 with 302, you get 3302. Now divide 33 by 4, 4 eights are 32, 3 minus 2, 1, shift 0, 4 twos are 8, 10 minus 8, 2, and shift the last digit is 2. You will get 22, divide 22 by 4, 4 fives are 20, and remainder is 2. 20 minus 22 minus 20, that is equal to 2. Dear students, in this way, you can solve this part. 3 times 1, 3, 5 minus 3, 2. Put these 2 in front of, put and put the 2 and right in front of 6. And shift these 4 digits same, or you can write here 2000 and add first and then divide. 3 8s are 24, 6 minus 4, 2, shift 0, that is 20, 3 6 are 18, 20 minus 18, 2, shift 5, 5, you get 25, 3 8s are 24, 25 minus 24, that is equal to 1. Dear students, in division, the most important step that I have told, that is when you uh, finish the when you will finish the division of kilogram, after that you will change the remaining kilograms into gram. Here we have 2 kilogram. 2 kilogram mean 2000. So you have to write here 2000. First you add how many total grams we have. Here we have 500 gram. Here we will change. We after changing we will get 2000. So you get 2005. Now you divide the, first you make the total how many grams we have. Then you divide. And in this way you can divide kilogram and gram at the same time. And inshallah in next video we will learn more about division of kilogram and gram at the same time through word problems. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.